Some people we have some things to get in because Dan come out and address the whole Swiss League party and who say them never go up on posters. That's why them no go to the party and something. Some want to know hear Dan perspective on that in my people. That more want to know hear, especially more want to know hear that. So more want to know tell me what you think in the comment section after. Seeing also my people. The girl when name what's she name Sashana, something like that, yeah. She got Swiss League party and never feel welcome. And me I go make you hear what she a say and me I go tell you what me think. Saying also my people. Seeing King and Shay is like Shay come out and address the woman we come expose she and the family say them come out of the house without make she know say yo them a go move out. So Shay come tell fear side of the story. Seeing and me I go make you hear a part of that. Seeing if you don't want to hear the whole thing, she address it on her channel. So me I go make you hear part of that. Seeing and me I go on my opinion on the situation. You know what I mean? So the next thing I'm going to share with you my people is Shebada accuse Derrick. I say, and Shebada have him opinion on everything what go on and everybody. That I just what him do. Seeing and I want to know hear what him have to say about Derrick. Seeing. So, I don't know if me forget anything when I go share with you because I whole heap of something I have to share with people. So, we are going to get right in it. And we're going to kick it off with Shebada.
Sister Derrick, let me tell you something. I'm not going to argue with you, Derrick, because of one thing I know between you and I. I'm not going to give a crush. Derrick, you see your age every behind you. Derrick. Morgan, your age ever behind you. I saw it fall. It fall up inside and it fall up outside. Your little age ever pleaty. When I say pleaty, Derrick, if you take off your skirt, you have pleat from your neck, go right down to that hole where you wear. I want to tell you one thing, go cut your toenail. Go find an address. Now come for me because you start out in a life and end up down a park. Remember you're an old girl. Remember you're old and you're Asian. So you see your back now is like this. Remember when Andrew did a go in a Europe, he did have to turn it like a book page. Yes, my love. He did have to turn it like a book page with pure X. Cause your back very pleaty. Yeah, you a sport this. You a sport a PE skirt. You a big woman. You hear for me like you, I dress like Queenie. I wear skin stocking. You hear? See here? This is out your back full of pleats. Your bottom full of pleat, Derrick. Your bottom want open up, your skin then drop. Your skin then drop like curtain and drape. When the postman can know to deliver your pen pal, you reason with me. I'm gonna find the rest of your teeth and your envy candy. Smile a while and give your face a rest. Derrick, your mouth empty. Some cracker one go in your break front. Them rob you. My love, now come for me. Cause firmness in my hole. Your back in Andrew. Your back said Andrew. Derrick, me not go bother with you because your Andrew memorial not coming. You not done cry. After the first memorial, I visit you. After your first Derrick, I visit you. Now come for my baby. Don't come for me stay in your lane and make them hype you up. Don't make them hype you up because them can't put you up. Remember you bounce some pillar to post. Remember you use your life to play a draft. And your life to play a checkered. So yeah, say. Don't make nobody hype you up, Derrick. Don't make nobody do it. Because Cause if I mean like you, I'm gonna rent out a rubbish truck. I'm gonna rent out the back of a garbage truck and put a bulb in it. If I mean like you, my baby. Yeah? Always remember say you complete it. I don't know if I argue with old people, you know. More than give them a buckle and ensure. I don't know if I argue with the elders. I don't know if I argue with old people for sure. More than just go for a buckle and ensure and a pack of pampas. Yeah? Adult weird. Derrick, if you laugh hard, remember you go home, your faculties them collapse. Remember your inside weak. Vitamins not no use to your organs. You go home, if you laugh hard, you do. Oh, remember you're old. Remember you're old. If you laugh hard, you do. Are you supposed to lactose intolerant? I mean, I would milk joke with you. Yeah. But nevertheless, after Andrew first memorial, I visit you. Now come for me. Go like me, you and Destiny, them are the same thing, Derrick. No bother with that. Don't bother with that because your ankle swelling in your sneakers, them. Your ankle swelling in your sneakers. Age I take you. You're old from H to T, head to toe. Put on your sneakers, them your ankle pull it up. Go check out your kidney. Go reason with your kidney, Derrick. Go reason with your smell, Yeah, Rob, where the whole of your teeth them there? Where the whole of your teeth them there? Oh, find your address. Anytime I tell you want to argue with me, bend over and remember the pleat them in your back. Bend over and remember the pleat them in your pum pum. Just bend over and remember the pleat them in your yeah, old girl, you still a walk with bag like you're a renegade or hitchhiker. Don't make nobody hype you up, Derrick. What hype you up can't put you up. Don't make nobody hype you up. Go find one address and settle down for your old lady. Go find an address. Go find somewhere for Derrick. Say Andrew go home, the man him draw you home like how Whitney draw home Bobby Christina. Go find somewhere for you go just walk one day now. You know say in a bus Derrick I got the bus seat. Yeah, for sure. Because you're busy, you're not work. Yeah, you're busy and you're not work. You start out long time, Derrick. You're not supposed to argue with nobody. You start out long time.
Oh, some people. Derrick respond to Shebada, man. Derrick respond to Shebada. Oh, me not see the response, that's why I don't share it with other people. Because Derrick now take nobody licking up. That's one thing Derrick now do. Derrick now take nobody at all. Like, no matter who you be. So you lick him a lick your back. You see me I say? So if him not see it, one of him followers them a go see it and say Ray and show him it and then him a go respond. Me have to go find the respond with people. So Derrick respond to Shebada, that's why Shebada come back on him name. Lord boy, I tell him. Jaja, I don't know if it's upon that one, people. But to tell what they thinking in the comment section. We are going to watch some more.
And you can't teach a little girl like me about life. I just a walk, I go so. So till all my uncle come over my sneakers mouth. Derrick, what do you? Go fix yourself, your skin them collapse. Yeah, you want some firming lotion. Now come for me, stay at Destiny and the rest of people them. After Andrew first memorial, I visit you. Yeah, look man, you know you're back oak leaf. Up here turn before going. You're full of too much skin. You're full of too much skin, Derrick. Yeah. You're full of too much skin. Now do that. Now come for me, go find the rest of your teeth them and smell complete. Oh. Your little gum soft, your gum rotten, your gum can't hold nothing. Go argue with all your body a deed like Jamaica first time $1 kind. Yeah. Now come about me, my love. No make nobody hype you up. No make nobody gas you up. Don't make nobody do it because down to the garbage bag better than you because they can't hold things, they can't hold an address. You cannot hold an address. And the garbage bag can you behave like you're rubbish. I don't find you as a rubbish. Now come about me. Now come about me, daddy dearest, cause for your old girl, you licky. Remember say you're mad. Remember you're a man. You're a matty man. Mad batty man. At first me see this break history in Jamaica. We never see a batty man yet from a barn. Derrick, me never see a batty man until you touch the media. Yeah? You touch the media, you're supposed to carry. You can't take the your mouth and shut your mouth and the boy you whine. Cause your mouth not have no in your teeth. No blockage, no barricade, no there. Yeah man, go find the rest of your teeth. The rat really rob you. But anyways, back to Ramesh now. Don't have for Derrick Shield. Yeah, now come about me Derrick, cause you're a dirty girl. You're a dirty girl. Now come about me, you want a toothbrush. I'm gonna tell you fact, you don't want a toothbrush. You want a gum wiper. Yeah. You want a gum wiper, your little mouth favor every screw. From your look by your mouth we can tell you all. From your look by your mouth we can tell you all. Derrick, turn on and make the people them count how much pleat in your home. Make them count how much pleat in your home. Yeah, turn around. No make them hype you up, sister. No make them hype you up because tell them say boss here, but you have see Derrick, nobody now ask no question. You have now boss see it. You're the only man me say walk and look over your shoulder. Yeah. Me say I now address it till Andrew first memorial. I never normally say nothing about you on the app. I never normally say nothing about you on the app because he's a madman. So I leave you alone. Yeah, I leave him alone because I never normally say nothing to him. Derrick let the skin come down like landslide. Derrick let the skin fall like landslide. And Derrick want to argue with people. Now argue with me because you waste your batty days. You waste your young days. When you are diamond socks and desert class with lens pants. And you waste the whole of them there. You waste the whole of them there. Now you park out here. You park out the point. You're supposed to eat for sit down. You Derrick supposed to eat for sit down because you're failure. You're supposed to eat for respond. That's why you walk a lot. Cause you eat your back congratulate you. And you not have no gratitude for an old girl. You're an old girl not even a break front your back up. You not even get a break front and only by time you break dance pan. But move from here, so Derrick. Move, you're an old retired man. A batty man will gather nothing. Nothing. Only thing you have is us. Back to Ramesh. Yeah, now come about me, no make nobody hype you up, Derrick. No make nobody hype you up because you have speech impediment. No make nobody hype you up. Relax when you're going home. You're going home. You talk like a You're going home. I never normally see up on the app. I hurdle you. Because me no want cuss you know, and I made your cause. I made the cause that you go home, Derrick. Me no want be the cause that you going home, so I never normally say nothing about you, but go find the rest of your teeth. More you cuss me with the whole of your mouth. More you cuss me with the whole of your mouth. Yeah. Me no want some of the words go so, some of the words go so. Me no want you cuss me like how mackerel look. More you cuss me the whole of your crack we're supposed to in your break front. Come, don't make nobody hype you up, my baby. No, don't make nobody hype you up. Don't make nobody hype you up because your tongue wants scrub. You want a tongue scraper. Since you don't have no teeth, Derrick, I'm going to will this to you. Since you don't have no teeth, something I forgot in the judgment where you walk within your face. Since you don't have nothing named teeth, I mean, I'm going to argue with no toothless, Maddie. Oh. I told them I have, and granny to great grand, me I give one.
So my people, we are gonna watch some more and then we get into the rest of things. And I know so when Derrick see this, him a go respond. And Derrick more bad to my people. Him chat some things more while and here what go on now. You see the people them where follow him and in him comments. Them are going in him inbox and in him comments go tell him where him to tell Shebada say and them are go tell him the worst set of things them. And I see him think him a go come back come say about Shebada. Although he can't talk good, you can't understand perfectly well what him a say, you are gonna get it. You know what I mean? Because him have some hot word too. Cause enough time me hear him and Rosalie a cuss and him say some things. Me I say, John, where him find them, I have to say. Him out order by himself telling my people. But then him a go have the people them will follow him and tell him things to tell back Shebada. You see me? So let me know what you thinking in the comment. We are gonna watch a couple more minutes and then we get into the rest because we have a lot to share.
Blue is a boy, you take that one, yeah. Yeah, man, you go scrape your tongue. I want you to them, go scrape your tongue and go scrape your back. And the two something they make your mouth and your hole. Your mouth and your hole send home the young boy, Derrick. Yeah, you grim. You are grim. Yeah. Now ask nobody. You are grim and your favor gargoyle. Your favor gargoyle, you're grim. You're a little bit cook. Yeah. Back to regular programming, yeah. Me have to tell you know why Ramesh feel away. Before me know say you are Aisha and even day, and Ramesh me know say when Ramesh say him help you out Foota eye. That much me can say for sure. I believe him. I believe him because people would not judge him now. You get what me I say? So they would not understand what he's saying. But you see, you Ramesh who know, you Foota hype who know Ramesh long time, trust and believe. You know exactly what me I talk about. For true, don't enough about the animal feeding, but Foota hype come here. Why you never tell me say Batty asylum you cry for God foreign Foota hype and you walk and burn out Batty people? You see, I always talk on my program. I always talk on people say my bad mind. That's why me I wait. Patience is a virtue. Me I wait, you know. Me I wait. You know, say me talk with everybody I think. And everybody say, I teach Shebada I go through the persecution. Me not go through the persecution. My band for wake up answers. Yeah. You were shocked? Cause you wanna be. Cause you want to be. You wanna be. Sometimes you can't believe how they make the lie so believable. Are you convinced? They are so cognizant of what they are saying, so till you convince. You never know. You never know that. Da da dee da da do. You never know that. Alright, long ago I come out and I tell you say, Foota I promised my friend $20,000 finna shave out the ear out time back. Finna shave out the ear out time back. When Foota I know say now come back from foreign, Foota I tell the youth say, yo, me a come man, me a come just cool man. Me not have a full length of conversation. Me never disclose it. Me tell you this long ago. Maybe some of you remember because you knew. You don't. Me tired, me say, Z baby, me tired for talking. But you see true, that's why you see the man named Shalom Aleka. I could never diss that man like that for what him say. I might diss him otherwise. But nah diss him for what him say when him said enough of we are shit. You think that man they wrong? A lot of people rush him, but that man they do wrong. That man don't rap at all. When him say enough of we actually play, enough of we actually play. Me sit up on my program and me talking every day. Say, uno walk and bone out batty people and fight for God foreign. Go leave teeth mark in an apple bottom. 2 years ago, me said Z, baby. All that on a son stay. On a little bit and lie, I want people buying on a lie, depend on a lie, believe on a lies. On a wicked, Foota batty not do you nothing for your cause if when I eat a deliver you. You bite the batty where I feed you. And that much me no respect. That much me no respect. You must did cry asylum when them did all empire. And remember say the woman nah give nothing, you know. Remember say a man you fly up to, a man you fly up go rest with. Foota hype a long time man a puddle in your bottle. Yeah, a long time man a sparadash behind you. Remember me tell them say, are you alone come back and bust some guilt? Like you never mean for sit down and you never mean for dig out. The Foota hype you live your religion out a road you there, a dance hall you in a, nothing greater in a dance hall like it. Nothing is greater in dance hall like a long time you can home the club. Long time Foota hype, this not new to you. It is easy for you let down your religion and take up my own. It is easy for you say Foota hype, remember you alone make tape about batty man one, you know. Remember you alone make tape about batty man one, you. And nobody believe when me say Foota hype made this tape about batty man. I swear if I go Foota hype anytime I hold him say me I go hold him and give him a. Are you alone? Are you alone? Yeah, are you alone? That's why I'm telling you, say, enough of them no want chat. That's why I don't spar with them, I don't go near them. Because guess what? All of them no secret for them one another. All of them. A long time me I telling you, then you think Mickey when you say my bad mind? Yeah, you think Mickey when you tell the things them because someone not got hear the truth. Someone not got hear the truth. Yeah, now ask you. Someone really and truly have before they hear it the truth. Me now ask you now. For real. If enough girl willing to talk them, but I tell you say enough of them boy you don't want a girl. Them don't want a girl for true, them don't want no girl. No girl, so one of them show for him good pan live there and I talk about him drunk. So she just late to rest. It hurt me. Waste a youth. It hurt me. When them junk off them one another, them yam them one another. When I get some tired. Foota hype know him a do when him did Shana. Him know when did I do. Him know when did I do when him a Shana. All the year Foota hype a go on about. I be a bottom on them the star. I be a fish y'all let him. Foota hype. Are you mark the register for this fee? Remember, always remember, say he's a receptionist for the ocean. Are you check off the condiments? Are you check them off? Oh, remember you're gatekeeper for bottom. Always remember that you're not too firm. You're not damn front and you're not the home. What do you do in 2024? You're the one. You form a relationship with a guy, brother. It's true, you feel comfortable. You feel comfortable for talk, say Jamaican people want
People, I don't feel like say a real thing them a talk about Foota hype. I don't believe that. You see me? Rami say, you know what I mean? Him try to stay away him there and say him a them type of people there. Him a be man. But me not think nothing go so. Foota hype nah go do that with people. Me no feel Foota go do them something there. You see me I say, and Shebada now I say the same thing. You know what I mean? Me no believe what them I say. You see it? So more want to tell me what uno think in the comment section. You understand? Because them hold him when him did a go back in America, see? And something with him marriage. And me hear say the woman say she nah help him, you know what I mean? And me hear say the woman a help him, right? The woman we married to. But you know what I mean, we not get no real talk from nobody close to the situation. So all what go on are just pure speculation, but him have a case still. You know what I mean? So let me know what you think. We are gonna watch just a minute more and then we are gonna go over to the next thing.
We care about him, and it's not like you tell them a lot of women run the border when not tell them like experience teaches wisdom. That's when I speak with such conviction. Yeah. A lot of women talk about say, so a holy nothing nice like when you puff the weed and suck the herb.
Shoot. People see me and approach me in a real life. Wanna make me paranoid for real. Wanna make me paranoid and scared. So when all our fans were genuinely want to approach me, I'm afraid. One man see me last night. When the mom tell us the man bar me off from go up on the stage. The man that want me up on the stage for go up on the stage with the people that want come with. Because what? Me I gave to you. The bar me about somebody from Hero. I don't know if him up on the live. Or somebody from Hero crew come down and carry me up, stop there. Me down there like, it's like me is a nobody. If you understand what I mean. Man, me down there like it's a nobody. You know, like you come and it's like, I just you alone there. People just, you know, like nobody no want to be seen with you. It really sad for you, you know. It's a really reality, you know, what me talk about, you know. People will see you on social media and judge you for what you do. And I don't know, say, you're entertaining people. You're just entertaining. It's nothing serious. You know, that's serious. But the I am run, me come up, me is a family orientated people. Me have family, me have feelings just like everybody else. Me come by and laugh and say certain things and I don't know say I serious something. For real thing me I talk about.
People, me like this. Me like this. And the reason why I like it is a teachable moment. You see me I say, this I for sure the young youth them will come up, say not everything that they see them fi follow and try. You see me I say, people do whatever them do in a life some of the time because of them situation with them in them choose a certain type of lifestyle. But you remember say what you do in the dark most of the time I go come out in the light. And some of the time these people embrace or exalt, highlight, you know what I mean, show off a certain type of lifestyle. You know what I mean? With taboo in a Jamaica, them want push the bar. And them know say a lot of Jamaicans, you know, go for certain things. It will be okay in a certain country, but not Jamaica. Me nah go bash our lifestyle because you have to do what you have to do to survive, you know what I mean? But you have to know say these are the things that come with what she do. Enough of them people, yeah, them not real too. You know what I mean? Them talk to you if you get a hype online, but them not really with you. You see me?
Alright, this is my 2 cents pan Swiss party. I want to know when me talk, me no give a, I want to know me a complain and straight because me not hold back. So when Leng keep sting, and Leng put all our people them picture upon blood clot sting posters. If people them we go support Leng, them picture them on the posters? Them people that picture them on the posters? When me go sting, my picture them on the posters? Me see everybody a run out now and talk about who for picture no them on posters, who no get invite. When the blood clot, when people a keep them party or them dance, them invite nobody? More than them put up them party and say them a keep birthday party? And who for blood clot go? And no bad mind a kick out and some of no can't go and no take on the money and do all different kind of sit now. Now no money figure. No full of excuse and no come with all kind of excuse. No say look boy a strive. The one time look boy keep sitting where where everybody a talk about you have to come on negative. Who them always left me behind and then left go suck on the mama on the papa left on the behind. A bad mind in on the blood clot. That a no problem. I no fi know say all a uno can strive one time. You go have 1, 3 or 4 somebody out of 40 a uno we go strive more. And the other 37 where blood clot left a back. I go chat them and bad mind them. I saw the world run. The whole a uno can strive one time. Uno stop talk about the boy party. A bad mind uno blood clot. Bad mind. Uno go. And about I chew this make me no so keep it to no blood clot self. Nobody no want no party no want no more body. Not even me party never want it. So no matter.
I set up a man for marriage, Shay, you know. And when they take a start, the man on no papers. Where am I set up the woman for?
This video, like this?
No, the one where say King and Shay expose, something expose, you say.
This I say 1 hour and 25. This I say 1 hour and 25 minutes.
I Shay alone attack in a video. King no in a video, none at all. She the outside attack. And her background, I think I don't want a wooden fence or something they say in her background.
No, I see it.
About 4 hours ago, she put it up. The cool runnings are saying on their live videos.
On the live video them. Thank you guys.
Yes. Is there something that expose the wicked woman? That's how video name. Or expose wicked, something like that. TikTok liar, I said check your WhatsApp.
Dan, just check them live video. Like you're up on YouTube. Up at the top there, you go see like videos and you see live. Press live under the first one. You see it? Alright, other one there.
Alright guys, so welcome back. And I came back here to talk about something which is something women I really want to do. So I'm addressing Denise. I'm gonna address her. Around, I think it was from June, July, August, September. This is gonna make 5 months since we left there, and she have never come out and say a thing, and I've never come out and taught the real reason why I left there. All right, yeah. Alright, more left space over here for evidence, you know. Because trust me, this is not something that I wanted to do, because I didn't want to come off as whenever me never want. Because she could have still never did weed.
You have to watch the video. That's when she put up the evidence. You see her evidence. So you have to look on the video because she dropped evidence.
Because I want to make sure I get everything clear. Recorded it. Okay? So I think I wonder how much should I do this now, because more react to every single thing that she said. She said that I'm a snake, and let me tell you guys, it's not that I'm a snake. Right? She said, I'm going like my can't mash ants. It's not that at all. I just don't speak unless it's necessary to speak. Right? I don't retaliate until I have no choice to retaliate, like what you see now. And believe it to God, me never did want to come and do this. Me never did want to come and do this. You understand me? So, we're going to get right into it. Right into it. I wonder how long the video you're going to take me, because the recording here about... The recording here is about... some minutes long. It's about 1 hour and 20 minutes long. Right?
Alright, some people, what did I say about the people, them must say them that they on posters, that's why them no go. Them are the person when me hear say so, I don't know if nobody else said. You know what I mean? And if you are going to support a person, you are going to support them. You understand? You know, should have business about that unless you are a performer. Why you would have an issue with that? And me no feel like say Swisley himself have nothing to do with that posters there. Cause Ramesh, I think of the organizer, him plan the party and them something there, you know what I mean? So maybe a theme team print it and maybe them never did a try to put everybody on it. Them just put up some people and say yes, I hate that. You know what I mean? So on a level, me don't really like that still, but everybody have them reason for do and say whatever. You know what I mean? So more want to tell more I think in the comment section. Cause the party sell off same way. You know what I mean? But you are going with people with King and Shay, you know. We not go listen to everything, you know, because I know say maybe we don't hear some of the part them already. So Shay I go talk about the woman and how she did war King. So make we get in it because me not gonna make it too long. Me just go on one piece side. Seeing so if you don't want to watch the rest, you can go over them channel and go watch the rest. But me I go on a little thing for you to hear Shay side of the story.
Alright, hold on there guys. I wonder how it's so noisy. It's so noisy. I wonder if me feel mute the live, stop the live, listen, and then what me did want to hear, I did want to hear when she has a certain thing, and then we can address it. Because there could be no way a sensible somebody would have got living at somebody's house and get up and vex with them without a reason. Me see some people are coming and say that don't really make sense. You understand me? How me would I just get up and just vex with that woman so in her own house without a reason? You understand me? And let me tell you guys. When you see her there, she make sure she knows that people are bring down King, you know. So you know what her goal is to? What she want to do is to bring down Shay now. Because she realized that people already are take down King. So she said, alright now, at the girl time I go down. Lord God, I have a laugh. Trust me, Father God, I have a laugh, I have a laugh. Right? So, where me start from? She start from Jamaica. Alright, come start from yourself. Jamaica. In Jamaica, there was only, come and tell you when we talked to her. O'Neil did not talk to her a long time. Well, she tell me already said she did write me, and I never did reply, and she write King, and King replied to her. You understand me? So, she does send credit. She does send credit back then. She does send
King
credit
can't reply to her. You reply
right?
to her.
When that time she said, when she told me so she send credit, she used to send credit back home, go get O'Neil. You know? That time we didn't live in a Mandeville. When we did a Mandeville, that the first time we had a conversation with her, you know, long she talked to O'Neil. Alright. So you know, I did send her some credit one time, you did get it. So I said, no, so King never give me no credit. But O'Neil said, yeah man, I did give you credit, man, I just remember. I said, alright, you send me credit enough time, so probably I don't remember for true. Right? So she did a surgery. You see this when she did a surgery on her ass. And so she called O'Neil. So at that time I catch up on the phone now and say, I heard this O'Neil, I was girl this I call O'Neil and I show me surgery in her faha and them something there. I say, I never did like that in the first place, but one player. Being the person where me is, me go play along, me go play the game too. Right? So want the surgery. I tell them the truth, you know, so Sashay did want the surgery and you know. And me kind of get excited because me did want to do it. And I say, you know, she has tell me, say, how much you do it? How much you pay for you do it? And she tell me, I say, how much? We the doctor and whisper and them something there. So come me and she start talk as a surgery business because I want the surgery. You understand me? So anyway, we start talk from this. So, well, we don't really did that talk like Yankee. So, anyway. when we come over now, she said we can't stay there with her until we find somewhere to go.
Yeah, that's
Sorry about that. So stay there until we find somewhere to go.
She doesn't send credit.
In our house now, everything was fine and dandy.
See this
right? And me kind of get excited because me did want to do it. And I say, you know, she has tell me say, how much you do it? How much you pay for it do it? And she tell me, how much? The doctor whisper and them something there. So come me and she start talk as a surgery business because I'm enough because I want the surgery. You understand me? So anyway, we start talk from there. So well, we now really did a talk like how she and King did a talk. Anyway, when we come over now, she said we can't stay there with her until we find somewhere to go. Sorry about that. Stay there until we find somewhere to go. In our house now, everything was fine and dandy. Right? I used to go out with them, no problem. Girl did happy because you could have see. Talking God Almighty truth, guys. Sometimes when I do some video, I see people and say, no, sir, and I share this. How Shay look like this? Shay look depressed, Shay this, Shay that. You understand me? Well, anyway, me and Honey Star cuss 24/7. When we did at Jamaica, we not cuss so. We cuss because you know how couples thing go, relationship thing go. But you see, when we catch another house there, me say 24/7 me and King cuss. We can't catch a break. We can never catch a break. Me say, if one day pass, I wanna in an argument, God would have come down from up above. Come and tell her how that's that now. It's like she would have come tell me things. She tell me things with Honey and I do. Me not really. I don't prove now. And she come tell me. You understand me? And then we check a start now. She go to O'Neill and I tell O'Neill say, me I do things. You understand me? So me have up O'Neill, I go to O'Neill and tell O'Neill nothing, you know, because Denise tell me I want to hear more what Denise I tell me say. So me now go to O'Neill and tell O'Neill nothing. And when the September with O'Neill be, he now go say nothing until he catch me. He want to see proof. So I just argument back and forth. You understand me? And then what's part of a jump from now? Because it's true she did have the girl a question her, so that's why I didn't want to play the video, so I really missed no points. So what's part of a jump to now? Yes. Hold on the guys. Wait there. Alright, so after that now, me used to believe her, you know. Me used to believe her because I tell her me I take out everything, me start vex up and sitting with King. That I with King. Right? But at that she did want, and poor me never know. So she did not play this game now where she, so I'm telling her say she didn't want King. You not believe me? You not believe me? I want heap of people now. I'm not showing the proof that is yet. I'm not showing the proof yet. But believe me, I want to watch the video and just don't skip ahead. You know that the lady did want King. The reason why she invited us into her house was never to genuinely help us. She wanted to separate us because she was trying that all along. She wanted me to leave King and King to leave me. Right? She said she has set me up on a friend I'm married to, and the friend don't have no the man where she want me to marry to not have no something the papers. She want me to marry to her friend husband, I say. And on check a start, the friend never put in none of them paper that the friend know. The friend no I don't know, I don't understand the marriage. You understand me? So there was something in my back of my head said no sir. And she always just a flirty with King. She and King always a flirt. I know about it, but me always uncomfortable. And
Alright, my people, so here we go. We are going to listen some more and then we are going to end it because, you know what I mean, it's a very long story, and as I say, if you don't want to watch the rest of it, you can go over them channel, go take in everything. You see me, I say, and my people, this situation with King and Shay, you know what I mean, appear ups and down, round and round, and all different type of something. Me just hope say which part them reach and how them good. You know what I mean? Me see King show one place where him say a des of them there now, and you know one look a broke down place them there and something. My opinion. Me no think say the place condition so bad. You know what I mean? Me no feel like say the little place where them show are really in this of them there. Because me see him do one next live and him there in the place same way. And me no see no type of bed nor nothing like that. Me just feel like say them a show people this so from you know don't tell me what they think in the comment section. But I wish them all the best still. As me say we just watch a little bit more. Maybe 1-2 minutes more and then me I go end it my people.
She tell King. You understand me? And then some of the time King will tell me, you know. So when sometime when King come to me and say, Denise say if you come a road. You understand me? I said no, because me I say, why she can't come to me and tell me say she a go a road, right? And then time them not do no hear nothing. She not tell me like when I get myself prepared. She always like come tell the King where you know say King we just drag on one pants and something and just go up on the road. Yeah. That's how she do it. So I stop go out with them. I stop go out. You understand me? And what's part my face? Guys, there's so much. I'm start my task things scatter all over the place. But
alright my people, so right here so me I end it. Me just want to leave on a comment in the comment section. Because this thing with King and Shay, I hope I the end it and them live happy ever after. That's all me can say. You know what I mean? They make a mistake by leaving Jamaica. I hope them can correct it